Good evening and welcome back to Smart Investment Long Videos. Today we are deep diving into one of the India's largest air conditioning company, that is Voltas Limited. Voltas Limited is India's largest air conditioning company and a key player in home appliance. It operates across multiple segments including cooling and home appliances like ACs, refrigerator, air purifiers, washing machine, etc. The second is electromechanical projects and the third is engineering product services such as mining, construction, textiles and water treatments. Voltas is number one AC brand in India with 21% market share in room ACs and 36% market share in windows AC. Over 25,000 customer touch points across India. More than 10 million households are cooled by Voltas products. 1 out of every 4 room AC and 1 out of every 3 commercial refrigerator sold in India is a Voltas product. Moving forward, now let's take a look on a business highlights. The first is the domestic project. 83% growth over the last year due to a healthy order book and execution efficiency. Current order inflow at rupees 482 crore and order pad at rupees 5275 crore. Major project secures are Chennai Metro, Bangalore Metro, data center jobs, Godrej commercial building, Phoenix Equinix complex. Also completed major water projects under Jal Jeevan mission benefiting 600 villages in UP. The second is Voltas Beko, which is a home appliances brand. Fastest growing home appliances brand in India with 150% growth. Sold over 3.3 million products through 7,000 plus touch points. Voltas is the first brand to launch 5-star rated washing machine in India. The third segment is the textile machinery division. Voltas hold a 65% market share in spinning machinery. Added new machine for weaving, threading preparatory. Company plans to introduce embroidery machine to strengthen post spinning capability. The fourth segment is mining and construction equipment. Company expanded reach to Mozambique through partnership with Tata Mozambique and Tata Africa. The fifth is medical refrigeration. Company has entered into biomedical and cold chain industry via partnership with West Frost Solutions. Company is developing vaccine storage equipment. The sixth is international operations. Strong presence in Dubai, Oman, Qatar and Bahrain. Order book of rupees 2356 crore for international business. WOS UMPESL secure projects worth rupees 3762 crore including a solar project. Backed the rupees 942 crore project in Riyadh for the Qiddiya water theme park and other major HVAC projects. Below are the financial performances of the company. Current market price rupees 1406. 52-week high rupees 1946. 52-week low rupees 1024. Dividend yield 0.39%. Debt to equity 0.14. PE ratio 65.7. Market cap rupees 46522 crore. ROE 4.40%. Moving forward, now let's take a look on a new product launches. Company has launched Smart Air Inverter AC with IoT features. Second is new glass top and convertible freezers. The third is expanded VC cooler line. The fourth is new fixed speed cassette ACs upgraded to 3-star models. And the last is new ducted and packaged AC with eco-friendly refrigerants. Now if we look at the retail expansion part, 35% sales growth in financial year 24 crossed 2 million units. Company has opened new store in Mumbai, Indore, Kolkata, Thane, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Ghaziabad, Northeast India, Rajasthan, Port Blair and Odisha. Company's future plans are projected as below. Rupees 450 to 500 crore capex for funding Chennai manufacturing facility for ACs by financial year 25. Backward integration for components like heat exchangers and plastic parts under India's PLI scheme. India's residential AC market expected to grow by 11.5 million units this year. Water heater segments growing at 10 to 12% annually. Looking on all the above points, would you invest in Voltas? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching.
Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. The content of this video does not constitute professional financial advice. Investment in equity market is always subject to market risk. Any investment decision you make should be based on your own due diligence and research. Investing in financial market carries inherent risk. and past performance is not indicative of future results. By watching this video, you agree to release us from any and all liability related to any decision or actions you take based on the information presented in this video.